Hi friends, this is Muhammad Gibran and welcome to our Java tutorials. In the previous video, I've shown you how to print the line on the screen, and in this video, I'll explain you how to take the input from the user. Right, for that, let me open up my compiler first. So for this purpose, we'll be requiring an scanner in the Java language. So to use that, I have to say import java.util.scanner. Okay, so this will allow us to use the Java scanner, which will take the value from the user. Then I will give a name to my scanner. Let me say get value. Okay, so get value will be my new scanner, which will take the value from the system.in. So for this time, our input will be from the keyboard. So this system.in will take the value given by the keyboard. Okay, just a second. Right, good to go. Then afterwards I will define my some variables, say fnum for the first num, then snum for second num, and total for the total. So basically I am going to add two numbers, that is first number and second number. These two numbers will be given by the user. Then I am going to add them and display them in total. Okay, so now the variable has been defined. So I will say fnum will be equal to my scanner name, that's get value dot next int. Okay, give it like this. So what I'm doing is I'm telling my compiler that the value to be stored in the variable fnum will be taken by the scanner, and this will be of the type integer. Okay, so you should like it like this, because you are taking the value and storing it in fnum. Then similarly I will do just copy it and paste it, and this n is snum. Then I have to add them. Okay, so my total will be equal to fnum plus snum. Okay, now I just need to display the result. I will say system.out.print, and I will say total. Right, so that's it. Now just run the program. Well, no errors, but nothing came as the output, just because we are not printing anything in the beginning, but still it will work. Let me say I'll give the first number as 2 and the third number as 3. See, 2 plus 3 is 5. Now let me give some strings to make our program look better. I will say system dot out print. Okay, now here I will say enter first number semicolon. Then here I will say just copy it and then paste it over here and say enter second number. Okay, then here I will say the sum is, or the total is, whatever you want to say. Now run it again, enter first number. Let me give my number as 4. Enter second number, my number will be 2. The sum is 6. So see how our program works. So basically what we did, we used something known as scanners in the Java, which take the value from the input device, that's the keyboard, from where the user will give us the input, and then we are giving that scanner a name, get value. So we used this get value wherever we wanted to get the values, like for FNAM and for second number. Then we are giving the values in the variables by calling this scanner, and then we are just saying dot or period, next line, and the data type of our variable. You see, our FNAM, SNAM both are integers, so that's why I said next int. Similarly, same thing for SNAM, and then I just simple maths, I just added both of them and I had printed them. Okay, so likewise you can do it for subtraction, multiplication, whatever you want. So that was a simple program about taking the variables from the user and doing some stuff with them. Hope you understood the program, and thanks for watching the video.